Well, now to an explosion in the number of cases of coronavirus being reported in China. Tonight, nearly 10,000 people have been sickened worldwide and 213 are dead. Here in the U.S., 7 people have tested positive for coronavirus, including a new case in Santa Clara County, California. And 241 patients, including those 2 students at Ohio's Miami University, are still awaiting their test results. Now, 2 more airlines have canceled trips to China today due to concerns over the coronavirus.
Tonight it spread to 22 other countries, including the U.S. Andrew Horansky explains the steps being taken to keep it from spreading.
We heard about the case of a Chicago man who contracted coronavirus from his wife. But a new paper published in the New England Journal of Medicine tonight shares another story of a Chinese woman without symptoms who infected her German colleagues. No longer do you need to go to China to get sick. The reason late this afternoon, the White House barred entry to foreign nationals who pose a risk of transmission.
Foreign nationals, other than immediate family of U.S. citizens and permanent residents who have traveled in China within the last 14 days, will be denied entry into the United States.
The news sent stocks plunging as the administration also declared a public health emergency, with the State Department already declaring a level 4 advisory on travel to China, its highest level. All amid lingering questions about the virus itself, such as where did it come from, how does it spread, and just how contagious is it?
But I want to emphasize that the risk to the American public currently is low.
This is not something that's being transmitted from person to person, place to place. This is not something you're seeing at the grocery store, at the movie theater, at ball games, or anything like that. This was close contact within the same household.
The government has already quarantined 195 Americans at a California military base who were evacuated this week from China, a country with roughly 10,000 confirmed cases. More than 200 people have died there.
And we mentioned those airline suspensions to China. They do not appear to be brief. The first go into effect next Thursday, Sarah, and do not end until late March, early April.
Wow, and we saw how that already is affecting the economy. Does anybody seem to be showing immunity towards the coronavirus?
That article in the New England Journal of Medicine was actually very interesting, and apparently kids appear to be faring a little bit better, at least if you look at some of the early signs from those first days. A baby did contract it, we know that, but the median age of people, according to that article, was 59, which meant that it sort of skewed a little bit older. We do not know the reason for that.
Okay, we'll definitely keep an eye on it. Andrew Horansky, thanks.
Sure.
Well, as Drew told us, stocks plunged today on coronavirus fears. The Dow lost more than 600 points. The Nasdaq dropped 148, and the S&P 500 lost 58. Economists say canceled flights and the economic fallout are behind the drop.